How to make your own postcards. Yes, it's possible to make your own postcards. Here are some steps you can follow to create your own postcards. Choose the right materials. You will need cardstock paper, scissors or a paper cutter, a ruler, a pencil, and any decorations you want to add, such as markers, stickers, or stamps. Decide on the size. Postcards are typically 4 by 6 inches, but you can make them any size you want. Cut the cardstock paper to the desired size using scissors or a paper cutter. Use a ruler and pencil to draw a line down the center of the back of the card. This will help you separate the address and message sections of the postcard. Decorate the front of the postcard with whatever design you want. You can draw a picture, use stickers, or even add a photograph. Write your message and the address on the back of the postcard. Add a stamp to the top right corner of the back of the postcard. Your postcard is now ready to be sent. If you're not confident in making your own postcards, don't worry. SJ Printer offers professional printing services to help bring your postcard designs to life. We use high-quality materials and printing techniques to ensure that your postcards look great and make a lasting impression. At SJ Printer, we understand that your postcard is a reflection of your brand and message. That's why we use high-gloss, high-quality cardstock to ensure that your postcards stand out from the rest. Our state-of-the-art printing equipment produces sharp and vibrant colors that make your postcards eye-catching and memorable. You can trust us to deliver postcards that exceed your expectations and make a lasting impact on your audience. Contact us today to get started. www.sjprinter.com. Thanks for watching.